Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Rob Plays Motocross Nitro. This is Rob aka the God Thunder, and I just realised when I came to put up one of my previous videos that it didn't actually have any sound. And I don't remember exactly which one it was, so all I'm going to do is apologise ahead of time and say, if I jump ahead in some of these, I am sorry, I apparently had my mic muted. But I think it was this one that I was running through. So this is just a really quick video, just me trying to blitz through a level, because I've got some time before I need to leave today. So what I'm going to do is quickly run a level. Backflip. Hopefully try and quickly run a level. So what have I got? So power up that one, put over. Or backflip, you know. Or an electric doom, you know. Oh! So yeah, cliffhanger there. Just taking some concentration. I do get some nitro from the epic crashes. So I can just go cut over, do it again, and so as I said, it's just going to be a quick video, just saying, sorry, I lost my sound, but I do have it back. I'll tell you what, I'll do another one, because I've got a few ones. A bit of a wheelie. Ooh, that could have jumped that. Definitely should have done that. I should not have done this. Start. Does it count as a wheelie? Only crashed 27 meters. That was very uneventful. Top. Big in. Top of the hill is going to be right here. Nope. Top of the hill deceptively. Not there. Stop. Stop! Come on. Yeah. Up there. Quick body flip. Cordova! Cliffhanger. Right. Hopefully this one won't take me long, because I haven't got long left. Wheelie off the bat. Didn't even count. Drag. Not what I wanted. Probably could have tripped over that. Whoop! All I can do is I can take a little trick off that one. Little trick off that one. Boost off that one. Maybe not. Come on! That's gonna be one I can flip off, surely. I'm gonna reset that. It's taking me about 2 minutes to run. So what I'm doing... getting to a point where I can do a few decent runs. If I get to a point where you do a couple of decent runs, then I'll be happy. So jump that. Oh, it's only the second one. Front flip, oh. Nope. Because it just takes my head off. No, false hill, false league. That made you be a throwback from my DV days. Shout out to DV. So that's a thing in the UK. Sending kids out into the middle of nowhere and getting them water. It's a great experience for teenagers. Plus, if you don't like your teenager very much, get rid of them for a weekend. That was a complete tangent there. And I'm not even sorry. Come on. I do need to go actually to get this sort of finished fairly quickly. Isn't that just the way it goes? Then you need to get something done quick, and it just doesn't happen. Okay. I can take that one to a backflip. Could have backflipped that one. Instead I'll backflip that one. With a stoppy. Oh, there we go. I should have maxed out the car. That's a house. Right, so this is the false peak. No, it's not. I don't know what the false peak is. It's probably this one. Yeah. I really need to learn this. Land on that one. Go into a backflip on that one. Backflip on that one. Backflip on that one. Just face plant on that one. Okay, this is false peak? No, not false peak. Next one's false peak. Nope. What I can do is I can use my nitro to get up that. Pop it up that. Pop it here. Go for a front triple. Oh! That one looked like it hurt. this is going to be my last attempt. I will come back to this one if I need to next time. Seriously, put on a wheelie. No. Right. That should be enough speed to take it off. There we go. I swear I landed that. Nope. Oh, come on. I didn't even know what happened there. Heading up the hill, heading up the hill, heading up the boost. Flip. Flip. Boost, hit ground. If I stop crashing, I'll probably win this. Or let's say, when I say win this, I mean get a position I'm happy with. So, anything higher than second, than fourth. Flip. Boost. Couple of tricks with flip. Boost. Front flip. Something. Right. This is gonna have to be my last one. Because I need to be heading out. Land. Trick. 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 So as long as I don't crash out too much, shouldn't have a problem. That doesn't help. Again with the crashing out, saying I shouldn't do it. Just do it. Right. On that note of pretty much utter failure, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to set this one to get ready for you guys, and hopefully by the time you watch this I'll have actually got past this level. So on that note, like, favourite, share, subscribe, all that jazz. What I need you guys to do is to send me some ideas of what I should do after this one. I do have some Minecraft Let's Plays with Kylo Woodrow coming up once we've managed to sort out the distance between us. We're currently 7 episodes in and neither one of us have actually put out anything for it, and that's because there's a couple hundred miles between us and we don't have good enough internet connections to actually stream anything between, but we're working on it. Stay posted. So stay awesome, guys. I will speak to you guys again at some point soon. Ta-ra.
Completely different.